One of the most beneficial technological tools, particularly in the mathematics classroom, is the technological tool PlayPosit. PlayPosit, previously known as Educanon, was listed as a 2014 curriculum collaboration tool, providing interactive video lessons. The general purpose of this tool is to provide instruction and assessment in the same place, therefore enhancing student learning and teacher instruction. On the PlayPosit dashboard, video lessons are known as video bulbs and are relatively easy to create and then assign to a class. I've already created a video bulb here, and it allows me the opportunity to share this with my students, and I can decide whether or not I require the students to register with the website. I would prefer not. And I can then assign it to a specific class, which I do have listed here. I've created a 7th grade geometry class, and I have uploaded the due date as Monday, May 1st, today. Here under the Monitor tab, you can monitor the student achievement on this particular assignment. It will give you your class average, how many students have completed or are in progress towards completing this assignment. There's also the possibility of retrieving more advanced monitoring and seeing the question-by-question breakdown. This allows for a reflective practitioner to go and isolate the immediate results of what needs to be retaught prior to continuing on with the curriculum. Under the Bulbs tab, you can see the video lessons that you have already created or create new ones. I'd like to create a new one within the unit folder for the standard that I have chosen. I'll click on Design. PlayPosit will allow you to upload a video URL from a website such as YouTube, Vimeo, or TeacherTube, or you can create your own video, upload that to YouTube, and then upload it here. I have selected a video from Khan Academy, and I have the opportunity to input a lesson title as well as a unit or lesson objective. For this lesson, my student learning objective is for the students to accurately solve for area, surface area, circumference, or volume of an object described in a real-world application. I can choose the subtopic here, which is geometry, and begin building. Once you've created your bulb, you can go through and crop the video according to the areas that you would like your students to watch, and you can add questions throughout the video. You can scroll to select the time and then select Add Question. And with the free version, you can use multiple choice, free response, or reflective pause questions. If I want to add a multiple choice question at 1 minute and 23 seconds, I can quickly write out a multiple choice question and provide the answers as well as the explanations for each answer, specifically for the correct answer, and then save the question. Once you've gone through the video and entered the questions that you would like to at the respective places, you can save and continue with your bulb. You can add your classroom, which would be, in this case, my 7th grade geometry class. And then you would click on your Bulbs tab in order to assign and share your bulb. For my particular learning objective, this strategy is extremely helpful in focusing on the task analysis of each real-world problem, really breaking down the problem to identify each element and solve the problem methodically. Overall, this tool is an extremely effective use for formative assessment to provide immediate feedback to the instructor and data to isolate in order to reteach. It's also very effective to increase and enhance student learning, as it's an easily accessible method of review, and it also provides immediate feedback, particularly in the event of multiple choice questions. It also can be very useful in a flipped classroom, allowing the students to learn at their own pace and use the class time to discuss the answers with their teachers and their peers.